Today's chronicle, oh shit, no blinker, of LKQ Pick Your Park. Let's see what's in the parking lot. Completely spray painted truck, riced out Mitsubishi. Homeboy came straight here after buying that car. Oh, it's crashed. Kind of clean BMW. Look at this, look at this. What the fuck? Fender vents on the bumper. And the Pizza Planet truck, huh? So, on today's Junkyard Chronicle, I found something that I already have, but I need again. Because you can never have too many transmissions, am I right? And it's a hot day out, so we're gonna be fucking sweating our ass off, trying to get everything we need, but we here. Came out here a few days ago. I ain't have all the right tools I needed, so I only got part of it out. But let's hope it's still there and get the shit that I fucking need, alright? This is a 2006 BMW 330i. And as you can see, my mat's still here. And sticking right there is the ZF 6-speed transmission, which I already have, but I didn't have all the mounting bracket, shifter. Couldn't get to it still, so I unbolted everything, jumped on the engine, and now we can get to the entire transmission. Hell yeah. Dropping everything down made this way easier because I could easily get to everything. And just like that. Let me. God damn. There we go. Now I got two BMW ZF 6-speeds, one for spare, just in case I break this bitch, but need anything else on? Hollow.
Got that.
Probably wondering why I cut this off, because I'm getting a custom drive shaft made, and I want to be, I don't know if they need this part or not. I don't want to buy a whole new drive shaft or the whole thing. So I cut this off just for the bracket. They may be able to weld their own thing to it, or I can at least double check when they do make it that this fits this. I took the guibo out, the little rubber bushing, but whatever, we get the point. So you're probably wondering why I wanted to come back in the junkyard, and it is for this. This is a 2003 Honda Civic. I just bought one, new car on the channel, $500, runs and drives, except the radiator leaks. I don't know if this one's good, but this one has a cold air intake for like 20 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and snatch her off of here and put her on mine. Make sure to check the lines before you cut it, or else you'll get transmission fluid right in your fucking mouth.
Ugh. I'm sitting in here with a makeshift shade because it's really hot out, and he's almost done. I think I see it. Where is he at?
Oh, it's fucking hot outside today. What is it? 90 degrees outside.
Oh look.
Right in the sun. Got another Odyssey cutting off my Odyssey. But we got the transmission. I think the receipt was for $250. Went back in, got a radiator and a cold air intake for the Civic that I'll show y'all when I get home. Spent $100 on both of those combined. So now we're on our way home. I'm sweating my ass off. I'm thirsty. And I just want to get home right now, so here's the haul. The cold air intake, ZF 6-speed, and radiator. For the transmission, it says with converter. That doesn't fucking have a, oh, never mind, no converter. $269. And then the radiator and cold air intake, $106. So not a bad haul. Let's go ahead and unload this and I'll show you the Civic. So look at this car right here, $500 car, drove it home, tore it all apart to get the bad radiator out. So I just got this new one to pick up, gonna throw it in. The AC, power steering, cruise control, everything works on this, which is badass, and I got it for $500, drove it home, yada yada. So I bought a new AC unit because that one's bad. This is $800 brand new. I got it for $180, and like the shaft is bent, so it's extremely loud. I have two ZF 6-speeds now. Since the last video I installed new lights, so if I turn everything on, we can see how bright it is in here. She's working on the MR2's rear bumper since we had to buy a new one because the old one fell off. Got my bike sitting in here and whatnot, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. Sorry for the noise, but this is what we're working with. All right, got the new radiator put in and the cold air intake, so now all this area is open. Been letting it run for a minute, for a little bit. Ain't getting too hot. AC working, although there's no tent and it's like 95 degrees outside. But anyway, something crazy about this is that the e-brake works very well. These are the wheels off her MR2. If you ever remembered when we first got her MR2, it came with these ugly ass wheels on it. I've held on to them ever since. And they happen to be the same lug pattern as these. So I was thinking about throwing these on, but I want to paint these first. So I want to make these white, paint these white so they don't look so bad. Throw them on this, make it not look as ugly with these rusty ass steelies. But anyways, my homeboy's holding the car meet at his shop, so we're gonna go over there, record that for y'all. Let me get a cold start for y'all. Her rear bumper fell off. We got a new one to put on. We just haven't wrapped it yet, but fully custom exhaust, ISR resonator to a dual tip. This thing sounds pretty hot. We got the rainbow tint on there, looking nice. Got a little purple car in the corner. What we getting shut down for? All I just got back home and I went ahead and sanded and painted the OG MR2 wheels white. Anyways, I gotta go to AutoZone because the lug nuts on the Civic right now do not fit at all. So I gotta go buy those shitty little tuner lug nuts with the lock key on them. Alright, it is now daytime because it is the next day and I just got done tinting all the windows because this bitch went its entire life without any tint on the windows, which ended up sun fading everything. You can see this is the back headrest. This is kind of beige and then this is pure white. I suck at tinting. I've done it on several cars. Still haven't learned very well. I'm probably going to end up redoing this back glass. I tried heat shrinking it and it ended up burning it even though I barely held the heat gun on. But all the other windows came out good. 5% on the back. There's my reflection. 35 up front. That way they can easily pass inspection. But anyways, my girlfriend went ahead and brought over the Bissell, what is this called? Little green carpet cleaner thing. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning out all the interior and getting all this nasty mush, all that stuff off. Well, I thought this video was gonna have a happy ending, but then this started happening. I went to go take it on a test drive with it all nice and clean. I gave it some gas and was cruising along the highway. Heard that that nice knocking sound. So now this engine is toast. At least it's all nice and clean now. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow my 2 Instagrams right here. Follow my TikTok as well. I post shit on there sometimes. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and motherfucking peace.